Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin with administrator access. That's required so changes stick. First, back up critical files and create a restore point because you'll alter accounts and settings. Next, identify where controls live, Windows Family Safety, a third-party app, or router-level controls so you remove the correct system. Once done, open Settings or the app you identified and make sure you remain signed in as the administrator. This prevents permission errors when you remove restrictions. You'll now remove the controls themselves. If it's Microsoft Family, sign into the Family dashboard and remove child accounts or turn off filtering. That stops web and app blocks. For third-party software, uninstall via Apps and Features, then reboot to clear drivers or services. If controls run on your router, log into the router admin and turn off content filters or time limits. Make sure to confirm each change, otherwise, remnants like services or router rules can keep blocking access. Finish by restarting the computer and testing the previously restricted user account. That verifies the controls were removed. Clear browser cache, review app permissions, and check scheduled limits or group policy entries because leftovers can remain. If you see continued restrictions, boot into safe mode to disable remaining services or roll back to the restore point you made earlier. That often fixes stubborn entries. If a router enforced rules, reboot the router and double-check firmware parental settings to ensure nothing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.